Tools that you need to build your life around your strength. Building a strong life is the most challenging assignment you can ever have because this requires n number of variables like your self-awareness, your maturity, the opportunity that you get, and the knowledge that you have, and the friends whom you're surrounded with, and lot more factors like that. So here is the first tool. Understanding how to distinguish your natural talents from the things that you can learn. The activity that you choose, does it require you to practice in order to master it, or does it require natural talent? And the question here is not about whether you can improve in your work or not. Of course you can improve because we human beings can get adapted to things over time. But the question here is, can you reach the consistent perfect performance by practice alone? And the answer to this is no. Because to develop strength in any activity, you need your natural talents as well. And you also need knowledge and skills with you. So what is a talent? Talents are the naturally recurring patterns of thought, feeling, or behavior. And what is knowledge? Knowledge is the information that you have gained from the facts or from the lesson that you have learnt. And what are skills? Skills are your steps to an activity. The way in which you perform your activity decides your skills. I'll give you an example for this. Say your strength is in selling products and you want to sell this mic. To get someone to buy this product, you need to have good talent with the product knowledge and certain selling skills as well. And it is very difficult to possess strength if you're missing out any of these things. The second tool to build your life around your strength. You need a good system to identify your dominant talents, and one sure way to get this is you'll have to sit back and watch yourself for a while. Try an activity and see how fast you can pick it up, and see whether you can skip steps in order to learn it fast, and see whether you have been absorbed in the activity or is it feeling like you're just wasting your time. And to find out this system, you'll have to try more activities, and only then your dominant talents will reveal themselves. If I have to give you my own example, this YouTube platform that I have stepped in and the episodes that I am doing is new to me, and this system has really helped me to transform a lot. So find out your system. And the third tool that you need is a common language to describe your strength. See, we need a new language to explain our strength, and this language must be precise and it should be positive, and it should be able to explain our strength in a proper way. So why do we need a language? This is because the language that we are using now is not up to the mark for describing our strength. We use words that does not mean one single thing. For example, if I tell you a person A, he's a strategic person, does it mean he's a conceptual guy who defends his statements by his facts and knowledge, or does it mean he's a practical guy who loves to analyze each and every situation and he plays according to his analysis? See, the language is not clear now. Similarly, if I tell you that you have got good selling skills with you, does it mean that you go to any extent for selling your product, or does it mean you sell genuinely? And you know what genuinely means. So please have a precise language for building your life around your strength, and only when you're narrowing down on thoughts you get the perfect one. And that's what my mentor Siddharth Rajshekar has taught me. So see you soon, set your goals high and keep growing. Goodbye.